I'm do carpentering there. I built the attic in the Bulada, so I need to do flooring. Yan. Just I'm gonna do flooring in here. Okay, I gotta do. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Now I drill the hole. So I need to drill the hole first before to put the other process. So countersink. Yes, we call that one. So next to drill the hole, need to use this one. Yan. Ito para hindi ma-damage ang board. So kailangan mong lagyan mong ganito para sa screw head. Yan, ito ang para guide sa screw head, hindi siya ma-damage ang board, ang flooring. Yan ito. Ito si Wonder Woman, hindi katay ano gagawin. Yan.
Get the last one in there. Go.
Good. I need more battery. The battery is run out, so charge. We get I have the spare one, so I need to change the battery in the electric drill. Yan. Ito ang ginagawa ko. Yan. Ito ang ibig sabihin ko. Kailangan lagyan ng ganito. Ayan mo. Ayan ang ganito. Para ang screw mag siya. Mag-sunk siya. Para ganito. Oh. Yan. Ito hindi kailangan pa tong ganito. Yan ba ang drill ko na na dead. So kailangan palitan ng battery. So baka yan ito so far yan, ito na ko na whole flooring almost done. Ayan. So it's on charge now. That's very powerful now. So, natapos ko na ito. Palitan ko na ito para ito sa screwdriver na head. Is this one to this one. Yes, a drill bits. Get it out. Yep. Alright, so this one out. Let me show you a little bit, okay? Show you a little bit. Tulong ka easy, guys. Ito ako walang magmano. Pinapawisan. Gusto na ano, may flooring ang attic. So, tingnan nyo ang attic, ang louting. Ayan. Yan. Ito no. Yan. Kailangan pa ning linisin dyan. Para baka dito ako magla-live. Sa attic, sa diba? Sa louting. Malaki ito eh. Ayan lang. Ayan ito. Okay. So kumukuha pa kami ng ano. Ay. Yan ang babaeng si Wonder Woman. Yan ang walang pahinga na babae. Okay? Need the next board. So, tapos ko ng dami ng ano natatapos, diba? Yan. Tapos sili yan ang ritsura ng attic, diba? Maraming mga insulation. Ito, malamig dito eh. Kailangan lagyan ng mga ganito sa insulation. Yan. Oh, we're gonna do the bits in here now. One from here, is that?
Look at the width first.
Oh, yeah.
Not about the length.
Oh.
This is a bit of room. If you had a gap along that bit, you just close it up. So I'll put a beading along there to allow a little bit to get it in.
Alright, okay.
About a quarter of an inch or 10 mil or something like that. Make it 10 mil shorter than what you think.
So we need to measure underneath because it's not going in.
That's fine.
So it's 10 inches
Minus a quarter.
roughly. Nine quarter, isn't it?
9 and a quarter there. Okay. I
What?
don't know that that would straight enough.
Okay. So 9 and a half. We follow 9 and a half.
Or do you think it's 9 and a quarter down there?
Yeah, in here, but the middle is
Here is 9 and a quarter, I think.
yeah.
So we stick at 9 and a quarter, that's the lowest.
Alright.
If you do it 9 and a half, it won't fit there.
No, 3/4, 9 and 3/4. The 9 and a half per day.
We stick to 9 and a half.
Yeah, that's right. Well, might be two of them is fit by there, you know. And then the long one, the whole one, need to make sure.
You've got a couple of little bits there.
Yeah. Hang on a minute. It's just 9 and quarter. 9 and a half. Yeah, we can strip. So, I don't know if it's enough to strip. I don't know. It's not. We got like cut anyway, isn't it? So we need to bring it over here, is it? The last 10. So, alright. Gonna get some another sheet, another board downstairs. Okay. Alright. This is floor, need flooring. So ito. Tapos ang lahat ang dito sa middle. So ito ang ritsura noon. So hindi pa siya na lagyan ng flooring. So ito na lang ang ano namin. Kaya dito ito na to. So yan ang ritsura sa ano sa attic. Hindi pa siya na fully flooring. So kung ma-flooring na siya, makita ninyo ang resulta. Yan. Ito. Ito na. hagdanan para patungo dito sa Lauting, sa Bulada, sa attic. Yan, tawag dito sa United Kingdom, attic. Sinasayga namin. Yan ang flooring. Ayan, tapos na. Ayan. Ito lang sa ano, sinasayga lang. Yan, hindi ko maglagay dyan, maglagay ng ano, bed. Diba? Or folding bed dito. Pwede na dito mag ano, gawin ko dito office. Yan, mag-live. So, wala makadisturbo dito kung mag-live. Kaya nga, sinasabitan. Yan. Ito na. Tapos na. Tapos na ang attic. Tapos na ang sinasahigan ko. Pero pwede na dito akong mag-ano sa attic. Tingnan niyo. Ayan. Pwede na dito ako matutulog. Ayan, maglagay ng ano dito, bed. Diba? Ang ano, ang dust dito mag-ano, magpapanday. Maglagay ng flooring sa ano, sa attic. Diba? Yan ako. Ayan, panday-panday kang may time. Panday-panday kung may time.